Good morning, class. Welcome to St. Peter School. This is your science class, and in previous class we was doing we were at the chapter number two, question and answer, and we already have completed up to the question number five. A we have completed. Okay, so now today we are going to start with the this B explanation because in last class I'm unable to explain this, and not from today we are going to start from here only. So start again, read out the question. First of all, what was the question? So read the passage and answer the question. First, the scenario is like this: Master X is a 3-year-old child. एक लड़का जिसका नाम है थ्री सॉरी एक बच्चा है जिसका नाम है मास्टर इट वाज सो देयर वाज अ चाइल्ड who is he was 3 year old and he is living with his family in a slum area. Okay, but we all know that what is the condition of slum area. There is a common toilet, different like there is a common toilet after every 4 to 5 like houses, and the slum area is not so neat and clean because there is more open nala and all सब वहाँ पे होते हैं इसलिए वो बहुत ज़्यादा क्लीन एरिया नहीं होता है. His father is drunkard. Okay, his father was like addicted for the drinking, doing drinking, smoking. This is this type of father was the of him. His mother does not know the importance of balanced diet, and there might be the like the might be the presence of few less amount of money. His mother don't used to follow the balanced diet. Now, this first condition we already discussed that Master X can suffer from which different possible disease in above condition. So we already so whatever the infectious disease might be affect the Master X. Now, second question is how will you help him and his family in this situation? If you will be there, how you will help him? क्या help कर सकते हो आप उसके? So let's have the reading. In this case, the family needs to maintain personal hygiene and cleanliness in and around their houses. They should be explained about the importance of balanced diet for the entire family. ओके, हम पहले क्या सबसे पहले क्या सजेस्ट करेंगे कि मैम यू हैव टू फॉलो द क्लीनलीनेस एंड हाइजीन एट लीस्ट फॉर योर चाइल्ड. कम से कम आप अपने बच्चे के लिए हाइजीन बना के रखो, क्लीनलीनेस बना के रखो. लाइक लाइक आउटसाइड इट इज डर्टी एंड लेकिन बट द एनीवन कैन पुट हिज और हर हाउस नीट एंड क्लीन. सो so that we can explain to her, might be she is not aware of all these infectious disease which can be caused due to unhygiene. They should be explained about the importance of balanced diet for the entire family. हमें उसको उनको इंटायर लेकिन बैलेंस डाइट के बारे में भी हम उनको सजेस्ट कर सकते हैं. लाइक यू शुड इंक्लूड मोर दाल रोटी इंस्टेड ऑफ ब्रेड जैम. लाइक आप दाल रोटी या फिर कम से कम ऑलवेज दाल रोटी चावल सब्जी एटलीस्ट वन टाइम यू शुड ईट ऑल दिस बिकॉज दिस इज अ बैलेंस डाइट. सो हम उनको ये एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं, राइट. Since the father is drunk, he needs proper counseling, rehabilitation, and treatment to get rid of this ill habit of alcoholism. क्या होते हैं as per the scenario that his father is also drunkard, so we can also suggest her for like rehabilitation centers are there to take care of all this the person who is like becomes addiction have a addiction of taking alcohol. Those type of people are got admitted in that rehabilitation center, and they got a treatment to get rid of all this, so we can suggest for those rehabilitation center. Okay. Now, which disease can occur to the father of Master X? Okay, a child is might be suffering with the infectious disease, but what disease can cause the father? Father को क्या diseases हो सकती है? As his father was drunk, so might be by the in taking of excessive alcohol, what will happen? Liver cirrhosis might be occur, heart disease might be occur, ulcers might be occur, gastrointestinal problems, brain hemorrhage, etc. These all may might be occurs and affect him. Give the preventive measures of the following disease: dengue. So you have to give that preventive measures. We already discussed about the preventive measures of all the disease. You can copy from there or you can just copy from here. Dengue is a disease which is transmitted by Aedes mosquito, which lays eggs in a waterlogged place which multiply over time. Mosquitoes breeding can be prevented by adopting the following measures. Larva eating fishes should be introduced and left in the pond water. We all know that where dengue used to grow, where there is a storage of water, right? So how we can protect this. We can sometimes we can, जहाँ पे पॉन्ड है, जहाँ पे छोटे छोटे पॉन्ड बन जाते हैं ड्यू टू लाइक रोड टूट जाता है उसकी वजह से. सो वेयर देयर व्हाट वी कैन डू, like we can leave the larva eating fish. These fish used to eat the larva is the baby mosquitoes, baby Aedes mosquitoes. So larva used to eat all these mosquito and we can save from those. Water storage and collection should always be done in the closed vessel. We already discussed this point कि हमेशा हमें पानी, कोई भी पानी ढक के रखना चाहिए. Even at our home also we always keep our water covered so that no mosquitoes can grow there. There should be a proper drainage of potted plants to avoid accumulation of water in the pots too. Pots में भी हम पानी डालते हैं and there should be a drainage in the pots also so that the water should not store there and larvae shouldn't start growing there. Use of pesticides against mosquitoes as when necessary. जब भी ऐसा लगे कि बहुत ज़्यादा मच्छर है घर में, so we should go for the pesticides. अगर उस एरिया में है तो we should go for the pesticides, or else in our house we can go for the alert and good night something. Okay. Second is cancer. So what are the preventive measures for the cancer? To maintain a healthy diet, proper exercise daily, avoid smoking and drinking alcohol, regular health checkups to maintain health. Now, what are the preventive measures for the cancer? We all know that cancer is like cancer का कोई बहुत ज़्यादा reason नहीं होता है पता, but still there is something which we can take a preventive to avoid the cancer. First is to maintain a healthy diet. Healthy diet keeps you away from all the disease. कभी भी healthy diet आपको all the disease से आपको दूर रखेगा, क्योंकि healthy diet will grow your immunity and immunity will help you to fight with the any type of disease. Proper exercise daily. We all should follow this exercise daily routine. This will make us healthy and कोई भी किसी भी तरह का डिजीज हमारे बॉडी को अटैक नहीं कर सकता, इवन इट इज अ कैंसर. Avoid smoking and drinking alcohol. Yes, this is not good. If like sometimes somebody is taking, it's okay, but we should not intake it in a excessive amount. Regular health checkup to maintain health, and everyone should go for the regular health checkup because you never know what your body is suffering. So I always prefer the regular health checkup for your body. Third one is AIDS. AIDS preventive measures for AIDS are avoid sexual contact, intercourse with the unknown people. Like previously it was happening, पहले ऐसा होता था, but now all everybody is aware. So don't go for the unknown people, sex with the unknown people. Check blood thoroughly before transfusion. कभी भी किसी भी तरह के blood को use करने से पहले आपको उसको check करना होना चाहिए कि वो if it is infected with the AIDS. कहीं भी कोई भी needles लेते हो आप, syringe लेते हो, you should first check is it new or not. Like you go for shaving also, then also you check if the person is using a new blade. Like you can pr protect yourself from this way. Avoid sharing or using the same needles or the syringes. ये if there is small particles of blood also on it na, it will infect you. So always check needles or the syringes before use. Question number 7, explain the importance of balanced diet. So you have to explain the importance of balanced diet. A balanced diet is a diet that consists of all essential nutrients such as proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals in the right proportion. A balanced diet helps us in the following ways. First of all, what is balanced diet? Balanced diet are those food which is having all types of nutrients. Nutrients are proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Now, what is the help of like balanced diet? Supplies important nutrients to our body that is required for the body growth. Help us to maintain fitness and stay free from disease. हमें disease से दूर रखता है. Just now I told you. Help us to maintain the fitness. Strengthens the human immune system क्योंकि ये हमारी body की immunity को increase करता है. Helps to maintain and function our system properly. Helps to maintain a healthy and balanced body weight, reduces or helps in cutting down body fat, provide energy to the entire body, and promote sound sleep and boost our overall health. So these all are the benefit of balanced diet, having balanced diet in your daily life. So it is very important to have a balanced diet every day in our life. Now, and in next class we will discuss with the rest of the questions. So till the time, just start keep revising all the points which has already been studied, like, and also start noting down the question answer in your notebook. So till the time, take care and bye bye.